Let's play a game.
We can play my favorite game, Lucky Trivia. We can play Lucky Trivia.
Okay, Google. Let's play Lucky Trivia.
You said the magic words. Welcome to game show mode, my friend. Welcome to Are You Feeling Lucky? It's like a game show, but you don't win any money or prizes. On top of being your Google Assistant, I'm the host of this silly show. How many want to play?
1.
It's just you and me then. Let's do 5 questions. I have a secret game show code name for you. It's Bongo. Let's dive into the game. Get ready, Bongo. To end the game early, just scream stop. Crack open your history books. The Colosseum was built in which year? 70 AD, 1887, or 1132?
1132.
I really wanted you to get it, but no, it's 70 AD. Better luck next time. Question number 2. The topic is science. Safety glasses on. What is the radius of Mercury? 242 miles, 10,172 miles, or 1,516 miles?
Option B.
That didn't seem like an answer.
Oh
What is the
my.
radius of Mercury? 242 miles, 10,172 miles, or 1,516 miles?
10,000 miles.
Let's try that again.
Arey.
What is the radius of Mercury? 242 miles, 10,172 miles, or 1,516 miles?
10,442 miles.
The show must go on. The answer is, in fact, 1,516
What?
miles. Question 3 is coming up. Good luck. Which of these is not a league in Japanese baseball? Mountain League, Pacific League, or Central League?
Central League.
Good grief. Sorry, Bongo. The real answer is Mountain League. There are 6 teams in each of the 2 leagues. Question 4, coming up. It's about movies. Which of these Steven Soderbergh movies was made first? Side Effects, Contagion, or Magic Mike?
Contingent. Magic Mike.
Sorry. Which of these Steven Soderbergh movies was made first? Side Effects, Contagion, or Magic Mike?
Side effects. Yes.
Sadly, that's
This
not
one
it.
guy
Sorry,
clapping.
Bongo. It's Contagion. Better luck next time. Last question. Here's a formidable query about language. True or false, the 5th letter of the alphabet is E?
What? True. Thank you.
A point for Bongo. You got it right.
What's that?
With that final question, the game is over. And now for your score. Not bad. Bongo, not bad at all. You got one right. That's somewhere between 0 and a perfect score. So way to go. Do you want to play again?
No, please. Thank you.
Before you go, here's a tip. If you like trivia and you like sports, say Lucky Trivia Sports.